It's Sunday and I'm in the car with Jip and Poppy because we're going to take a walk at the coast with my sister. Good morning everyone, it's Monday again and I'm back to work even though it's a national holiday. When you have a small business you just work always when necessary, which is almost 24/7. It's going to be a fun week. I have a lot of June boxes to pack. Also right now going to pack some more May boxes for shipping out tomorrow. I have fun plans of creating new products, new boxes, and I'm super excited for that. And let's see what the week will bring. Also packing some individual orders today. This USA box washi tape is actually one of the best sellers, so if you don't have it already, check it out. And of course we have so much rain again. Everything is ready in my car and I'm going to drive to the International Post Office to ship out all the boxes from last week. And today is another exciting day because if everything goes to plan, today the covers will come. And I'm so excited for it because they're so beautiful. I hope they arrive soon. Well, you can say that today is a really pink day. Good morning everyone. I'm starting the day with a cup of tea of my favorite New York mug. Today is going to be another exciting day. Yesterday the cover didn't come, they were still at customs, so they really should come today. I'm going to set up a Patreon account, which is a community platform, which I'm really excited about. And I'm packing June boxes. I'm going to film the unboxing of the June box and sketching some things out for my future planner. I'm excited. And I'm now going to record the unboxing of the Floral Fun box for June. Still waiting for the covers to arrive. The covers are here! Yay! Oh my god, I'm so excited. I've never seen them in real life. I'm so excited. I'm going to open it. Oh my god! Oh my god, it's so pretty! Look! Oh, it feels so nice. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Look! Wow! This is so beautiful. It's rosé gold. Oh my god. I love it. So this cover fits a classic happy planner and other same size planners. I am in love! I think this is the most beautiful product I ever made since I'm creating products. Let me show you how beautiful this cover is. I already put a planner in it, but look at this. And this is how it fits as a cover. And last but not least, I also filmed the YouTube video of everything I'm showing how the cover works. Good morning everyone, another day in the Planything office. You may wonder why I was so excited yesterday with the covers. It's just because it's an individual project. It's because it's an individual project. Oh my god. Why can I say individual product? Okay. It's because it's an individual product. It's because it's an individual product. It's because it's an individual product and it's on its own, you know? It's something really special for me that I'm releasing something on its own that big and special for me, because I really crafted this custom for myself, for Planything, for the planners, and that really made it special for me. So that's why I was so excited to see it finally. So yeah, and today I'm going to pack the June boxes all day so they can ship on Tuesday. And yeah, we'll see what the rest of the day will bring. Oh, and with crafted myself, I don't mean that I handmade those covers by myself, but the size and all, I went just with paper and crafted prototype of the cover, this size covers. And so I really was playing with paper, which size, the height and the width, how it should look like. So it was really special for me that it was something I really created myself. The prototype, the idea, the design. Good morning everyone, it's Friday and it's almost weekend, and I must admit I'm really need weekend. Today I'm going to wrap up all the boxes for the June boxes, shipping out on Tuesday. If I have some time left, I'm going to also do some design work. Yay! All June boxes are packed and ready to go on Tuesday. It's going to be a beautiful day. It's going to be very warm after weeks of rain. We're going to have a hot and warm week. The dogs have their own little paradise. Little dog pool. I want to sit there. Now she have her own. I'm having lunch with my sister Ruby. Yum! Good morning everyone, it's Monday again and I'm packing orders. I'm packing all the covers, I'm packing orders with individual items and the last May boxes, so they are ready to ship out tomorrow. And everything is packed and ready to go to the International Post Office. Today is going to be a super hot day. The last few weeks we only got rain and cold weather, and suddenly it's like super summer weather, and I really don't like the heat. I don't even have air conditioning in my car, so I'm going to drive for 3 hours. I hope I'm back soon before the most of the heat starts. Good morning everyone, it's going to be another very hot day today. I'm also going to end this vlog, but before I end this vlog, I really want to tell you that I have started a Patreon community for Planything. What will you get when you become a Planything VIP on the Patreon community? You will have the ability to vote for future products and designs. You will always have 10% discount on all individual products. You will see a complete unboxing of the box for next month before everyone is seeing it. I will be doing a monthly Zoom call with all the Patreons. You will see work in progress shots, so that means way in advance sneak peeks. And you will have access to exclusive deals like discounts, freebies or shop credit. So I really love to see you there. You can go to patreon.com/planything. You can find the link also in the description. And I'm going to end this vlog and see you at the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye!